morning. Ayan po, may interview po ako. Ay, fantastic morning upline. Pakilala po kayo.
Ako po si Marcelita Villapastidyong from Coronadal City. I was diagnosed with breast cancer last November 20, 2020.
Anong stage cancer po?
My 3 oncologists po declared me as stage 3.
Wow, stage 3 cancer.
Yes po. And then
How are you na po?
I acquired iPhone Power Trio by February 2021 and started taking it for 4 months.
Wow, 4 months.
Yes.
Stage
And
3 cancer for 4 months.
Yes.
Nagtatrayo po.
Opo. And so the second biopsy and the third biopsy that I had, I got a negative result.
Wow! Praise God. Sige po.
That's all. And my thyroid problem.
Yes,
I
po.
have 5 nodules here.
Nodule is yung mga bukol-bukol.
Yes.
Yes po. Anong nangyari po?
When I took iPhone Power Trio, the nodules on my throat were also cured.
Wow! So anong anong masasabi nyo yung may mga cancer, may mga that the cancer is a deadly disease, no? Kumusta po yung ano pong masasabi nyo po sa mga hindi pa nag-a-IFR na meron pong cancer po?
Take lang sila, megadose lang.
Megadose.
Yes, because there is no overdose with our Power Trio. Religiously take lang po ang iPhone Power Trio.
Ayan po. Ano pong pangalan natin, upline?
Ay ang Marcy Villapastidyong.
Villapastidyong.
Yeah.
Stage 3 cancer and power kaayo ngayon kasi talagang power, makikita mo talaga ang bloomingness and then ang miracle na nangyari sa buhay niya na dahil ginamit po si iFern, Fern D, Vitamin D3, Fern Active, and Milka. God bless po, upline. Thank you po sa lahat pong hindi pa po nakagamit. I-try nyo po kasi wala pong imposible. Thank you, upline.